It's a new 2019 GMC YUKON XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this YUKON XL has even more of it. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmonds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.